So this is the curry goat and we're finished, and this is how it looks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Katashi, and today I'll be showing you how I cook curry goat, rice and peas, and tossed salad. So here I've already prepped the vegetables and the seasonings that I'll be using today. So the peas is already on the stove. We're just gonna cover it and give it about 15 minutes. So now I'll be showing you how I prepped my curry goat. I'll be washing it with apple cider vinegar. Around 2 teaspoons. So now what you're gonna do is stir off the vinegar water. Until the water is a bit clear. So guys, now that our peas is finished, you can see it's all cooked. These are not the normal red kidney beans. These are called round reds. I like to use them because they make my rice and peas look lovely. So we're gonna let this wait a bit, and we're gonna move over to our goat. So guys, now that we're on to our curry goat, I've prepped the seasoning. So this is our chopped onion, sweet pepper, scallion, and some minced garlic. And even though I'm using the real garlic, I still like to go in with about ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. And here we have some jerk seasoning. Has pepper and everything in it already, so that's why I like to use this one. So now that we put in the scallion, the onion, the garlic, and the sweet pepper, we're going to go in with our garlic powder, jerk seasoning, and dark garlic powder. And we're just going to give this a stir with a spoon, because I don't want my hands to be yellow. So now we incorporated all the powder seasoning and the regular seasoning. So now we're going to put this in the fridge to marinate for about 15 minutes. So now it's been 15 minutes since we've let this marinated, and now we're going to put it in our pot. So now that it's in our pot, we're going to give this a little stir, like this. And I'm actually using a pressure cooker, so we're just going to give this about 20 minutes, and then come back. So over here we have our vegetables and we're about to get started. So I'll see you in a bit. 6 minutes in our tossed salad, and this is how we're looking. So we'll be back in 5. So now that we've added our white vinegar and a tablespoon of sugar, we're going to give this a stir like this. We're using our tongs, guys, our tongs. Our tongs! So we're just going to give this a stir. Continue stirring until it's totally mixed. And this is how our tossed salad looks. You hear that precipice, guys? It's the CurryGoat. It smells wonderful. So now we're just going to put this tossed salad in the fridge to chill while we get everything ready. So after we put in the Irish, we just have a beater. It's a stir. Give around 5 to 8 minutes and then we'll come back. So guys, this is our rice and peas, and I'm just going to give this about 10 minutes to finish steaming, and then it will be done. So this is the CurryGoat and we're finished, and this is how it looks. It smells marvelous. Just take in all that goat.